Guys, welcome back to another video. Now, last video, like yesterday, we buried Catboy. Now, right now, we're gonna bury Catboy. Now, let's just get to the part where we bury Catboy. Now, as you see, we are burying Catboy right now. He's coming up.
Oh, it's coming up right there.
Catboy!
I love him. Catboy! I'm gonna zoom into Catboy.
Okay, guys, now, just today, a couple minutes after we upload this video, we're gonna have a part 2 of cutting Catboy's head off. Now, make sure to subscribe for that.
Watch to the end to see that.
So guys, you remember last video where we checked out my garden? I just watered it right now, and we're gonna show you our corn. When we get there, you zoom in on the little cornflowers.
Yeah, we planted it. We put the seeds in it, and look how it's doing.
See those little sticking out corn pieces?
Yeah,
That's our corn.
Look at
Right
it
there.
See it? That's. Let me show you guys. Whoa. Our corn. That's our corn. Look at the little seeds. See that? Is that? Right, maybe right there. See that?
Now guys, cut. So guys, as you see here is our little pool. Like every time we plant the plants, this pool appears.
Yeah.
I'm not stepping in that. Oh.
Ooh.
I only stepped in it a little bit. Maybe just throw an avalanche of dirt in there.
Yeah.
Stop it. Stop the avalanche.
It became a lake.
I'm gonna make a little beach island right here for the humans to stay. Bitch. Ooh.
Like swiping a little bit of mud in there. Ah, my shoe.
This gotta be the shore, so we gotta put a little bit.
We need to wipe our feet on the carpet when we get inside. We got a carpet. Did you know that?
Okay, we're not wiping our feet on that carpet. Malachi, stop! I'm just trying to put the extra dirt in there. Oh my god. Okay, Malachi, cut. No! Oh, I didn't see you guys there. We're just cutting this apple tree. We cut the video because we just had to clean our shoes, but now Malachi unpaused it because we have to make this video.